In the case of a snow event, please help us by clearing about a 3-foot area away from a fire hydrant. Now that fire hydrant may be a block or 2 blocks down the street, but let's make sure as a neighborhood and neighbor helping neighbor that we get out and work together to make sure those hydrants are clear. And also remember that when that snowplow comes the second and the third time, we need to recheck, if you would, to make sure that hydrant is clear. Just helps our firefighters be able to connect a hose in the event of a tragic fire that may occur. Let's also remember clearing your sidewalk if at all possible, and or your driveway with at least a pathway that our firefighters and paramedics can get to you or your neighbor in the event of a 911 emergency.